Hey everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. We are going to make beautiful flowers. This is a one stroke painting. Look how we are using the colors and making the flower. We are using here red and white color, and look how we are making the petals of the flower. Look, it is almost ready. Let's make a beautiful flower painting. We are making the leaves of the flower. After that we are going to make the flower petals like this. We are using blue and white shade. Look how we are making the petals of the flower at one go. Look how we are putting and spreading the color using paintbrush like this. Then we are going to make a beautiful another little flower in the middle like we are doing here using the brush. Again we are giving it shape using white shade and giving it a 3D like shape. Look how we are doing here like this. Do this with all the petals, and with you can use small paint brush. You can change the brush size. After that we are going to make the sepal and the little flower like we are doing here. Make more leaves, and look, it is almost complete now. You can add more details like we are doing here, and look, it is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.